Hi everyone, this is Kenny here from Public Stories, and today I'm in Atmosfera Condominium, Puchong. So this condominium is completed in year 2012. It has 453 units, and the developer is Villamas, if I'm not mistaken. So let me show you around the place, and behind me is actually the park. Let's go. Management office is there. Then the moment you go up the staircase, right, you reach the park. There's a squash court there as well. You reach the pond, you see the koi's, beautiful koi. And there's two blocks, 1, 2. Okay, let me take you to the park. Let's go this way. This is the entrance, the grand entrance. The moment you go up that staircase, you come here, and this is the park. Okay, we are from the entrance. You go down to the park here. You can see all the facilities. There is a veranda for you to rest. Children's playground that side, and also the swing there. Quite a number of high stories. Okay, let's go down to the pool. There it is. Too bad MCO, right? There's water fountain, big, a huge pool, huge. There's even like a deck there you can sit. Looks like a meditation pavilion to me, and there's a lot of chairs behind. Shall go there later. Outdoor gym also. At the pool, you will have places where you can sunbathe. Okay, here. Let's go to one of my favorite places. You can rest here and also sit down there, meditation deck. Walk through this, you will come to my favorite area. Okay, jacuzzi, right? Imagine on top of this, all these greens is covered. You have your own privacy because you are covered by all these the creepers, right? Beautiful creepers as flowers, and you get to sit inside the jacuzzi. To me, it's very relaxing. I love this part. I love this part the most. So we head down. Now we will go check out one of the units. So you head down here. All the units, right? This block, you're connected to the park. Of course, the units are ground floor, less privacy lah. Right? We've come to the outdoor gym. There's a mini outdoor gym here. And then here we will lead you to the car park, residence car park. Yeah. This is the gym, MCO, so it's closed. But so I can just show you from the outside. It looks very complete. A lot of equipment. There's even a place for you to do your shoulder with weight lift, and the weights are there. See, treadmill, everything is complete. Yes, sir. Treadmill. For the convenience of residents, there's a mart and also a cafe. Tier security there. Go. 4 lift for resident. Okay, one is actually a fire lift, so it's considered 3 lift for resident. This unit. There's 13 units per floor. 7 and 10 that side. 1 to 9 is on the right. 7, 5 to 9 is on my right. 1 to 4 is on the left. So 13 units per floor with 4 lifts. I think the density is a bit too high though. Very wide corridor. Ample space to move around. I like. Also the side a bit dark because the light comes from the side. I see ample space to move around. Corridor. Refuse area. This is the refuse chamber. I'm at the main door of a unit. So in general, the units here is sized between 1,200 square feet to 1,700 square feet. This unit is 1,700 square feet. So let me go and just take you through the unit, how it's look like. Here, and there's big walkway, so you can put all your shoe cabinet, everything here, even floor to ceiling shoe cabinet, no problem. Before you even reach the main door, it's huge space. Let's go in. Huge space, and the moment you go in on the right is your kitchen. Okay, here is the yard. Yard. It's locked. This is a yard for your washing machine. It's facing the other unit. Let's go. Room 1. This is the, before we go to the rooms, this is the hall. You can see the kitchen on the right here, dining area, and that's the hall where the fan is there. It's huge on the hall. And there's a plaster ceiling up the unit. Okay, if you want to hang your clothes a bit, you can go here. This one is installed already. The clothes hanger is installed. There's even a balcony. There's few balconies. So let's go and check out the rooms. First off is the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Okay. Master bedroom here is huge. You can fit easily a king size bed or queen size bed. You see there's 2 plugs here, right? Can fit a queen size bed, and then you have 2 side table. Husband and wife, one side your husband, one side wife, no problem. And this is the bathroom. Even comes with a bathtub. Toiletries, and rain shower. Go to see the next room. 1,700 square feet. Yeah. This one is a small room where you can fit a super single room. It's intended to be, let's just say you have a maid, then this one can be a maid room because there's an attached bathroom. Go next one. Children, you can easily fit 3, 4 children. 2 rooms here. This room and that bathroom is a shared bathroom. So this part here will also be the place where you can put your children here. And this one is a shared bathroom. This room is suitable to be your guest room. Because this shared bathroom is also shared by the guests. So guests come to the house from the main door, come down here to the bathroom. This one has no bathroom by itself. It's also another room for you to put kids or anyone to guests. There's 2 rooms here, share this one bathroom. 2 rooms will share this one bathroom here. Okay. Overall, I think it's really a lot of space for you to navigate. There's a lot of idea you can do. And looking at the view is unblocked. Okay? This one is unblocked view. 1,700 square feet is a bit rare. That is the house. This is the view from the above here. Okay, the clubhouse entrance. Block A, it's 2 blocks. Swimming pool. Resident parking, and you notice there's a tennis court up there. They even have a tennis court. It's a park. There's a lot of green here. And it's really very windy and soothing. Unblocked view. Overall, the 1,700 square feet unit, right, for sale is rare. Hence, you don't see that many transactions around. And partly also because most of the 1,700 square feet buyers, they use for their own stay. Even among this in this area where you have other condos nearby, this size is bigger and it's not easy to come by. 1,700 square feet. So if this place is suitable, definitely suitable for your own stay, or you're looking to raise a family, a big family, 3-4 children, no problem. Here is a good place to stay. So what I like about Atmosfera, I like the quiet. It's very quiet and it's peaceful here. I like that the security here is also very tight, so that you don't have tight security, meaning that the JNB is functional. And when the JNB is functional, it will have inevitable effect on the long-term pricing. Then means that the owners here are active in protecting their interests, and most of them are owners that is staying here. That is one of the conclusions you can draw. The third one is the greens. I like the way they maintain the greens, the facilities. We have a mart, we have a café. So essentially, you do not need to go out of the place. You do not need to go out of the place. And a few things that can be improved, I would say, can be improved is the accessibility. The place to access here, both sides you park cars, is very congested. The access is very congested. This is also partly due to that this place, right, is located quite deep in from Puchong, from the city. But if you can access, if you have a car, you stay here, you must have a car. Because if you have a car, it's easier for you to move around the place. But if it's not, I suggest that you stay somewhere nearby. If you're heavily dependent on the public transport, I suggest you to stay nearby public transport. That's about it. And I hope you have enjoyed the property tour. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So if you have any more questions or regarding properties and financing, or even you have your own unit in anywhere you would like me to do a tour, then please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to go to your place. And if you are looking for my book, the link is down below. You can get direct from me. I'll see you again in next video. Until then, and once again, this is Kenny Lee from Property Stories. Bye bye.